What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Heading to another Korean barbecue joint called Love Barbecue. It's right down in K-Town. Heading here after work, meeting up with some Instagram food friends and the cake dealer. Gonna get some content for the restaurant posted up. So Love Barbecue is fun. They've got like a DJ booth, and I think at night it gets turned up a little bit. People hang out and party while they eat, I assume. And I know they got lots of really good high quality meat, so I'm excited. This will be a short ride and review because by the time we finish, it's going to be dark, and I hate the way my GoPro video looks. It's kind of shaky and bumpy, and I don't like it. So with that said, I won't be doing the ride out, just the ride there. And then obviously jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full tilt review with all the photos. This place is like, I think 32nd and 5th Ave, and then I'll just keep my eye out for like a parking lot. In this neighborhood, like in this area in Midtown, I don't like to keep the bike out of sight, like locked up on the street. I'll do a lot, no problem, because they're more secure. But like I won't leave it on the street unless I can have my eyeballs on it the whole time, or you know, if I'm running into a store for like 2 minutes. It's just no fun. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to worry. A lot of people getting their bikes stolen. I don't want to risk losing this baby. Love it too much. The zoos. Ah, perfect. There it is. Okay. So I'm just going to keep my eye out for a parking garage. And I see one up ahead after 5th Avenue. So let me just pull up here, get you the frontage. Love Korean barbecue. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside.